Hello and welcome to this exciting video in which we are going to be covering a new and exciting AI tool using which we can check the traces of AI in our code. Let's say you are taking an interview. In that case, we might be having a lot of candidates writing code for you. So in that particular case, you can use this particular AI tool to check whether they are using ChatGPT or Claude AI tools similar to that to generate the code for you. So throughout the video, we are going to be testing out this particular exciting tool and we're going to be taking a deep dive into this particular AI tool. So without further ado, let's get started with this particular lesson. So to get started, first of all, you need to click on the first link below. So you will be redirected to this particular page. And after using my link, you will be also getting huge discounts on the paid plans that this particular AI tool offers. So the AI tool that we're going to be covering is AI Detector Pro code. So this particular AIDP code will help us to detect whether the code is generated by AI or not. And you can see here the headline of the website is detect the traces of AI in your code. So with the help of this, we can detect whether a code is generated by AI or not. AI generated code introduces unexpected bugs. It can help you find the AI. So it can also generate huge amount of bugs in your code whether a code is generated by AI. So in that case, there might be a lot of issues that you might be facing while using this particular code that is generated by AI. And you can also get started for free with this particular AI tool. If I scroll down, you can see that they have more than 100,000 users from around the world who trust the AIDP Pro. So you can see that it supports most of the popular languages like Java, Python, JavaScript, and C# as well as PHP. So we can use it to detect whether a particular piece of code that was generated by either ChatGPT, Claude, or any other AI model. Then if I scroll down, you can see the complete solution detects AI code for speedy problem resolution. AIDP is a comprehensive platform for professional firms. So this can be also used by professional firms. So let's say you are a professional firm where a lot of developers work. And if you want to check whether they are using AI tools to generate the code in your company or in your firm, in that case, you can use this particular AI tool to check that and detect AI code for speedy problem resolution. So we can just check whether a particular piece of code is generated by AI. All popular languages supported. So it is going to be supporting the most popular languages like C#, PHP, Python, JavaScript, Java with 98% accuracy rate. So it is going to be very accurate as compared to the other tools. And you can see a virtual tool for engineering managers. AI code is hard to fix the bugs, find and correct the code. With AI code, it causes larger problems. AIDP Pro Checker Pro offers a more deliberate method of integrating. And if I scroll down over here, you can see accelerate innovation with less risk. So develop AI coding process, understand AI error patterns and develop guidelines, and experience better code review. So with the help of this, we can also fix any bugs in our code, and it is going to be helping us to create different patterns, errors that are developed by AI. And if I scroll down, you can see use AI to accelerate your development cycle, but verify for safety. And this is going to be the different paid plans that they offer. So with a free plan, you can get one free scan per month. And these are the different programming languages supported. Then you are not going to be getting any branded reports, white labeled reports. Data export is not available, and API is also not available for the free plan. But you can test out one particular scan with the help of this free plan. Then if you want to move to the paid plans, here are the different paid plans that are available like small business, consultant, enterprise. So you can opt for any of the different pricing plans that are available over here. And if you are coming from my link, you are obviously going to be getting a huge discount on these different plans. So you can just go from here and try to see the FAQs that are available over here. And if you want to move to the paid plan, once you check the free trial, you can move to the paid plans as well. So for now, let me just move to the dashboard that I have, and I will be showcasing you how this particular AI tool works. So after logging into my account, you can see this is the dashboard that I have, and I have already moved to the paid plan. So if I show you my plan, what I am using currently. So if I go to the plans, you can see the plan that I am on is the small business plan, and I have access to all these features like unlimited AI scans, and it supports all these different AI detection in Java, C Sharp, and Python, PHP. All the languages are supported. Branded reports and white label reports are not available to export the data, and much more. So let me just try to move to the dashboard and show you the features and how it works. So if I go to the dashboard, over here you can see overview. So human written, AI generated, it can show the real-time stats of that. And if I move to the reports, so in the report section, you can see that this is how it looks like, and we can paste the code in this particular box that we have. And apart from that, we also have the option to select different programming languages from here, like Java, C Sharp, JavaScript, PHP, and Python. So if I just try to create or add a particular piece of code that I've already generated from AI, I will just try to paste that over here. So over here, what I will do is I will just paste a code snippet that was generated by AI in Java. So here you can see this is the entire code that I previously generated using ChatGPT, and here is the example that I have pasted in here. So if I click on the analyze button, now it will start analyzing the code in Java and check whether this particular code is generated by AI or not, and it will show me the reports for that. So let's wait for it to generate the reports for us. And you can see the result that is here, that is 98% out of 100%. This particular code was generated by AI. So if I go over here, you can see what all things are generated by AI, and this particular code was obviously generated by ChatGPT. That's why it is now showing us that this particular code was generated by AI, and you can see this is where it was generated by AI by finding different patterns in it. So similarly, what I can do is over here, I will now change to my code editor here. So what I will do is I will just try to find out a code in Python and try to add it in there. So let me find particular code in Python. So this is a code that I will just try to copy, add it in here. And now what I will do is I will just use Python instead of Java and try to analyze the code. Now after clicking on the analyze button, we'll start analyzing the code for us. And after the submission of the code, you can see that this is generated by human. So as I have written the entire code that was previously available, so you can see that it is not generated by AI at all. So it is supporting other programming languages as well. So here you can see this was the Java code, this was the Python code. Similarly, what I can do is I can also add a JavaScript code in there. So this is a JavaScript code that I have. So if I just add it here, now if we just try to analyze the code, after submitting this code, you can see that the entire code was generated by a human, as I have written the entire code for this particular file. So you can see this is not generated by AI at all. Now what I can do is I can show you the live example by going to ChatGPT and generating a code. Let's say create a weather app in Python and VK in the. Now, if I give this as an input to ChatGPT, let's wait for it to generate the output for us. So once it will generate the output, what I will do is I will just copy this entire thing from here and try to show you whether the output is correct or not. So what I will do is I will just try to add this particular prompt in Cloud. So I tried it with ChatGPT, but I think the server is down right now. So what I will do is I will just try to create this particular code with the help of Cloud AI. And here you can see that it has started generating the entire code for us. So this is entirely generated by AI. So if I just copy this code from here and try to paste it in the AI Detector Pro, let's see whether it is able to detect this or not. So as this particular AI tool that we are using here, that is Cloud, is very good with code. So if we just try to submit this, I hope it will be able to detect whether it was generated by AI or not. But I think Cloud AI is much better as compared to any other AI tool. And wow, you can see in a matter of seconds, it has detected that this particular code snippet was generated by AI, and you can see 98% accuracy was given here. So this is a really amazing tool that can help you detect whether a particular piece of code was generated by AI or not. And I've shown you real life examples as well by copy pasting my entire code from my code snippets. So you can also see that it is accurate with other contexts for different programming languages like Java and Python and much more. So these were the different examples that we have tested, and 2 of them were AI generated code that we have given, and 2 of them were my own code from Python and JavaScript. So it was successfully able to detect whether the code was generated by AI or not. So I hope you really enjoyed this particular AI tool, and you will be really interested in using this in your day-to-day life to check whether a particular piece of content was generated by AI or not. And you can check whether a piece of code was entirely generated by AI. And if you want to also erase the AI part from here, what you can do is you can just click on this drop down, erase AI. So if I just click on that, so now it will erase the entire thing and try to humanize the entire output. So if I end code, this document, so you can see you can just detect here and try to humanize it. So what I can do is humanize document. If I just click on erase tool, and it will be creating a humanized version of this entire code. So you can also see the tone analysis here. It is going to be giving us the entire tone analysis in this particular form. And after clicking on this, we'll start regenerating the entire code for us and erasing the traces of AI from this particular code that we have in the output. So this is how we can use this particular AI tool to not only just detect whether the content was generated by AI, but also fix the content that was generated by AI and make it a humanistic version of the code. So I think that was it for this particular lesson or video on covering this particular exciting AI tool, that has AIDP code. So you will find the first link below for the AIDP Pro code, and you can get started with it by just clicking on that. And I hope you will be really enjoying using this particular AI tool. So I think that was it for this particular video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.